love to do it too. They're such good people. They love to light them up for you. They're delighted that you like their balloon. Let's light them all up together in a minute. Get ready, get your cameras or your phones or whatever, and we'll light them up. You guys aren't yelling very loud. We had to yell really loud, okay? So yell, light them up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Light them up! There. How many people like that? All right, me too. Which one shall we do, Keegan? We're going to do a twinkle or a light up? Which? Twinkle. Okay. Keegan wants a twinkle. We're going to twinkle them this time. Everybody has to yell real loud, okay? 3, 2, 1, twinkle! Isn't that nice? Let's give a round of applause, everybody, for twinkling and helping us out. That's good. They appreciate it. They're having as much